Meanwhile, Jamaica's World Cup qualification bid is now hanging by a thread. This after missing out on an automatic qualifying spot following their failure to make it out of the four-team zone, which was won by Curaçao. Now they must do it all over through a playoff.
When the draw was made for the group of four, Jamaica were offered a seat on the plane to the World Cup, but opted out and will now be vying for one next to the bathroom at the back of the plane. That's how a campaign that was said to be easy played out the hard way, as the Reggae Boyz missed out on automatic qualification and will now try their luck in a playoff. According to JFF President Michael Ricketts, the Federation gave it their best shot.
Because we would have invested heavily in this program. We would have done so much, hoping that we'd have qualified for the World Cup. We still have a second bite at the cherry. That is going to be tough.
But the consensus after the final whistle is that everyone at the JFF should step aside so that leadership without self-interest can finally take the wheel. However, Ricketts takes none of the blame.
Absolutely not. I think this JFF has done so very well. And from a governance standpoint, I mean, we have reorganized the JFF. I mean, we'd have had so many major achievements over the last year or so. I think we're just unfortunate, and we have not gone to the World Cup, which is a major setback for Jamaica's football.
One of Jamaica's football stakeholders, Craig Butler, maintains that the group was negotiable, but was made more difficult than it should have been.
I think that the quality of the players are there. I think the mentality wasn't there. I don't think there was a system in place. And boom ball or keep ball is not going to work at this time for our country. We need a proper system, a proper method of development, and a proper football culture geared around what our strengths are as a nation.
According to Butler, the team was playing everything but Jamaica's football, which went against their strength.
We're playing side back all day long like we think we are Barcelona or something. We're not. We're Jamaicans, we're sprinters, right? We need to go repeatedly over and over that 20-meter dash. Repeatedly. And that's not happening. And it's not happening because we don't have a football culture. And we're bringing in foreign coaches, and every foreign coach comes, we play English football, or we play German football, or we play Brazilian football. Where's the Jamaican football?
And Butler says not only did they get the tactics wrong, but the personnel too, as DeJohn Whisper Richards should have been given more time.
In 10 minutes of his being on, he created a penalty, which was brought back. He created crosses. He was running at the defenders. He took shots. Yeah, he was offensive-minded. And yeah, Whisper is my player, but forget about that. Cephas was too, right? How many balls are we actually pushing through to Boyz, the best striker in the Caribbean, but we're not playing the balls forward to him?
Not too dissimilar from Hurricane Melissa, McLaren's tenure with Jamaica was brief and disastrous. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.